Thank you for choosing Master Muffler and Brake Center, your complete auto repair center. We're located at 1000 East Semoran Blvd Apopka, Florida. Master Muffler and Brake Center, your complete auto repair center. We have a full line of mufflers ready to be installed. We also have a pipe bender, so there's no waiting on an exhaust pipe to come in. We just custom make it right there to fit your vehicle. We also have a full line of brake pads in stock. Having other brake issues other than brake pads and shoes? We can replace or repair your master cylinder, your power booster, check for leaks in your lines, and do any repair necessary to fix your brakes. Is your AC on the blink? Well, we can fix that too. We also recover the AC refrigerant and reuse it, and we can replace or fix most AC problems. If you have a classic vehicle and you need a custom exhaust system, Master Muffler is the place to go, because we can custom make your exhaust system for you. Is your car overheating or have a water leak? We can fix that too. We replace the fans, radiators, water pumps. So come on down to Master Muffler and Brake Center, your complete auto repair center. We're located at 1000 East Semoran Blvd Apopka, Florida. Or give us a call at 407-884-8060. And you have a fantastic day. And we want to thank you for choosing Master Muffler and Brake Center.